Hello and welcome to SkyTech Academy. I welcome you to the second video of our StatPro Connect basic series. In this video, we will discuss about how the GUI, which is nothing but graphical user interface of StatPro Connect edition, would look like. So if you see, this is when you create any new file in the StatPro Connect, you can see this window. Here we can broadly say we call it as a workflow. Here, this is what we call it as a workflow panel where we have different types available. Here in this line, whatever you are seeing as a geometry, properties, material specifications, we call it as a workflow page control. So basically whatever we are doing in the main window, which can be accessed from this panel. So we call it as a workflow panel. This when our structure, whatever structure we are modeling is will look in this area, we call it as a main window or view window, because structure can be viewed in this portion. Here whatever we input, all tables and everything is available. So this is, we call it as a data area. Here we call it as a tool search. Whatever we would like to search, if we have any doubts, we can search and we can redirect to help menu. Right, if you see, when I click on the cursor, you will see the help uh, uh, content is coming. So if you click that, you will redirect to help menu. Then here, this is the file menu or file tab where I can create, I can save a new file, I can open any existing file. Right, so this is how this is how the StatPro Connect editions uh, StatPro Connect editions main window. This is how the StatPro Connect editions graphical user interface is looking like, right? And here, if you see properly, if you see that, we can understand that in the VATI we had this workflow page at the left, but in the new edition they make it in horizontal format. So here we have to simply follow left to right approach to create any structure. So simply, first we create geometry, then we give section and material properties, then whatever the specifications, if you would like to, we can give, then support conditions. Then after giving the loading, we have to analyze and design the structure. The same thing was available in the StatPro V8 edition on this portion, so that we used to follow top to bottom approach, but in the Connect edition we have to follow left to right approach. To summarize this, I would like to share this diagram with you. If you see this, whatever we have discussed is given in the in this picture, which is properly available. Say this is the view window, this is the data area. Whatever we call this portion is nothing but workflow page control, and whatever we have here, we call it as a workflow panel. And this is the file type, this is the tool search. In case of any doubts, we can search. So this is how the StatPro Connects GUI is looking like. And from the next video, I will go into what is the local axis, what is the global axis, and all these things. So stay connected. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.